Blue-fronted Amazon parrots are one of the most intelligent, colorful, and entertaining parrot breeds found in the world, known scientifically as Amazon aestiva. These parrots are native to South America, especially Brazil, Paraguay, Bolivia, and Argentina. They are widely loved by bird enthusiasts because of the bright green plumage, impressive talking ability, and friendly nature. In this video, we explore the complete beauty, behavior, and uniqueness of the blue-fronted Amazon parrot. Their signature look include a vibrant green body, a blue patch on the forehead, and yellow tones around the face and neck region. No two birds look exactly the same because their facial colors can vary naturally. This makes each parrot special and visually attractive. These parrots are extremely intelligent and can learn to mimic human voices, daily sounds, and even songs. They bond strongly with their owners and love social interaction. With proper care, they can live 40 to 60 years, sometimes even longer than that, which makes them lifelong companion. We also talk about their diets, personally, healthcare needs, and natural behavior. Blue-fronted Amazon require a balanced diet of seeds, pellets, fresh fruits, and green vegetables. They enjoy climbing, chewing toys, and interacting with people. Their energy level is very high, so they need daily mental stimulation to stay happy. If you are bird lover, pet enthusiast, or someone researching parrot varieties, this video will help understanding everything about these stunning and charismatic birds. Don't forget to watch till the end for beautiful visuals and more rare information about Amazon parrots.